to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And as always, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're returning, just subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. It's a beautiful day out in Arizona. It's probably only about 80, so I wanted to come out and film before it got too hot. I do have the Glossybox, which I thought I've canceled a gazillion times, but it just won't cancel. So I guess I have to put up with it. They're kind of a hit or miss type of box. But before I get into that, I just want to brag about the customer service at Mix and Match. Alexis is my stylist and she's been giving me 5 for 5. So I had to slow down because I don't need all the clothes, and of course, who can afford all those clothes? And who can wear all those clothes? Well, I got this beautiful top probably back in my April fix to bring with me to Mexico, and I love this top and I get so many compliments. Well, I went to wear it one day and the whole inseam was ripped. I mean, and I don't sew, and I was tempted to take it to a seamstress. That's how much I love this top. Well, I emailed Mix and Match. I showed them a picture, and today they sent me a new one. They were quick. I think I got an email within the next day apologizing, and they had my size in stock, so they sent it out to me, and I'm opening it with you guys. And I don't know if you remember this top, but it's absolutely beautiful. The colors on it, you do have to, well, I have to wear a strapless bra with it, but it goes with so many great pieces. So I just want to give a big shout out to Mix and Match customer service and to my stylist Alexis for this. Is just great. Okay, I don't think we hear enough about the good positive things that some of these subscription boxes do for us. I see a lot of negative stuff, but I really don't see a lot of positive. So I just wanted to give a shout out. So let's get into Glossybox. I want to say it's between 19 and 21. You know me, I never remember prices. So it will be below, along with a coupon code if you'd like to order it to get a discount. I thought I opened this, but I guess I didn't. But I do have my scissors out here. So how is everybody doing? I know the summer break, kids are out of school and vacations, and we are getting ready in a few days to leave for Washington, where we go for the summer because it's way too hot in Arizona. So I am looking forward to that. We go to Ocean Shores for the 4th of July, right on the beach. We stay right on the beach, and we go a couple weeks and we just drive around Washington. We do live in eastern Washington up in the mountains, so that makes it nice. And of course, I am just struggling like heck with this box. So give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I got the box open, and inside the box comes a beautiful box. I think it's usually pink. They do have specials like around the holiday times. I'm going to attach a video that I did, I don't know if it was this month or last, where I bought the special Glossybox where it was all great skincare products. So I will link that so you can see that. You do need to check websites like for Glossybox, and as I said, Birchbox had a special box. So if you don't want to order the boxes every month, you can get these limited edition boxes that are definitely worth the money. So this is the Glossybox, and it comes nicely wrapped with the booklet with everything that's in there. And it looks like there are a lot of great things in this box, so I'm pretty excited. So let me get the booklet ready. So this is where they show everything that's in the box, kind of how to use it, and they usually give you the website. So if you're in love with something and you want to order more, they give you the website where you can order it. So the first thing are these 2 masks. Deep conditioner. Oh, they're actually color protect and hydrate. So I'm assuming they're a hair mask. Providence Rose and Brute Rose inspired, infused with wine, rose, and watermelon. And this one is infused with wine, rose, and strawberry. So I should just stop the video now and try this. You probably can't drink it. So that's the first thing. The next thing is this nail polish. And I don't know if you can see it out in the sun, but it's like an iridescent lilac color. And to be honest, this would be a great toe color. So I'm gonna have to try that. The next thing is cleansing foam by Amor, I can't even pronounce it, out of Budapest. Let's see if it's open. Nope, it's sealed, which of course is a great thing. But this is 1 ounce. This is nice again for traveling or just to try it out. Waiver, no metal, no traces, that simple. It's an invisible bobby pin. It actually looks like one of those things like if you buy lingerie and they kind of stick your bra straps on there so you don't see it, but it's an invisible bobby pin. I'm gonna try that out. And there is by E.H. Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay Detox Mask. And I don't know if you're like me, you can never get too many masks. And when I get together with my friends, especially when we go up to Washington, I always bring masks so we can get together and do masks, even if it's outside. And the last thing in the box is the eyeshadow palette by Sleek Makeup. And these are definitely gonna be my colors. I'm kind of wearing something similar, and of course I need my scissors. I think the neighbors are getting suspicious what I'm doing out here. They see me sitting out here smiling, talking, and they're kind of looking at me like I'm crazy. So, in 1 second. Oh, it's a super nice case. It's got the sleek on the front. It's really, and of course, can I open it? Oh, look at those shades. Those are really pretty. I hope they're coming up with the sun. I can't wait to try these. They don't have, it's called Sun is Shining 430. They don't have all the colors, but I am definitely gonna try this. So, I'm giving Glossybox a 4 cactus for this month's box. I thought it was great. The eyeshadow palette was great. These masks, can't wait to try. And the clay mask and the cleanser. And I'll let you know how the bobby pin works. So, let's see everything that's in there. So the nail lacquer by Morgan Taylor retails for $9.50. The clay mask, Purifying Pink Clay Mask, retails for $54. I don't think, maybe it is a full size. It doesn't look like a full size. Then the Invisibobble, the Waver 1-pack, full size is 7. The Sleek Makeup, $11.99, and they're called Hask Unwind, and a full size 1 packet is $4, and so we got 2. So this is a conditioning mask. Oh, I see. And the other one, the Rosé mask, again is $4, so that's $8. And the one I can't pronounce, Omaroviska clay mask, retails for $30. That's a full size, and I got a sample size. So let me know what you thought of this box. I know it's been hit or miss. I've seen a lot of people cancel this box. And I want to say it was $19. So again, I will leave the link. I will leave the price. Let me know what you thought. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.